how white my teeth look. It's so nice.
Buongiorno and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do something a little different. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, but today's going to be kind of like unwearable lipstick shades that I love. So I don't wear these the most often, but if I'm feeling in that type of mood where I just want to be a little bit something different, something loud, like this is it. You know what I mean? So lipsticks that I won't get rid of because I still love them. I just don't wear them enough or often enough or find an occasion. I don't go to festivals, you know? So let's go ahead and jump into this video. And don't forget to subscribe before we get started. I do upload at least 3 to 4 times a week, so I really appreciate you guys. And yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so the first shade I have on my lips is always the one I was just wearing. This is not a unique shade by any means, but this is the Lancome 109 Lacquer Covered, and it's considered a metallic. So you guys have probably heard me talk about, I'm tired of brands making metallics. I'm over metallic lips. Like once you kind of have a few, you don't need more. You know what I mean? Or at least that's just my personal opinion. Man, I have like this zit here on my chest and it's been driving me insane. I feel like chest zits are the worst. They hurt so bad and they're so red and I'm just like, there we go. Anyways though, but this I feel like is a metallic that I can actually wear. So this is probably my most wearable shade of these. There's might be one more that I love, but other than that, these are pretty much my wearable shades, or one of my wearable shades. So I love this as metallic. It's just slightly metallic, but it can still pass as a very neutral color. So very comfortable formula. I really like this. I probably reach for this one way more than any of the other colors in here, except for the next one. So let's go ahead and jump into that. Okay, so next up we have a Kylie Butternut. So Kylie Cosmetics Matte, it is drying for sure. I just have to like moisturize and do all that stuff. But I love this color. This is like a baby, it's kind of like a baby poo color. But I absolutely love this color. I didn't want to wear it with a lip liner because I want you guys to see like the true color of it. But with a brown lip liner especially, it definitely tones down the orangey yellowish color. It is perfectly described as butternut. But I love these shades like so much. I've worn like Portobello on here from Bite Beauty. It's kind of similar if you like more of like, if you don't like a liquid lipstick, but I do feel like this is one of the most unique wearable colors, at least for me. These are just wearable colors that I don't mind wearing. Who cares? You know what I mean? Like lipstick is lipstick, you take it off at the end of the day, so I have no problem wearing weird colors, but this is by far like one of the favorites, especially with like a brown type look. Like I'm in love. All right, so next up, this is by far, I'm not gonna lie, like I put this on and I'm like, why don't I wear this? Like I love this shade, which I am not a blue person, but I feel like this one makes my eyes pop and it makes my teeth whiten, and I'm just like, it's freaking gorgeous. Very rough swatch, by the way, because I'm taking this off and it's a matte and I'm like, ugh, hurry up before it stains my lips, because I would not like that. But this is a Colored Rain Blue Dragon. So I find this like formula to be pretty comfortable for a matte liquid lipstick. It's not as bad as Kylie's. It's still a matte, but I still think it's absolutely gorgeous. Like this is a vibe. Like, excuse me. You know what I mean? Like I love this so much, especially if I was wearing like all black or something and then had this lip on, like I'd be good to go. And then I did want to show you guys a close-up swatch of that just so you guys can really see the color. But it's like not even, it's not like a deep blue. It's like a, I mean it is a deep blue, but it's I don't even know how to describe the color of this. It's almost a metallic, but not really. Like, I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh. I like underestimated how long it was going to take to get like the swatches off. I look like a Cookie Monster essentially, like taking these colors off, but whatever. It's for the video. So this one is also a Colored Rain color. I really recommend Colored Rain if you're looking for more unique lipstick colors. I know they're not everyone's cup of tea, but you know, you got Halloween, you have Coachella. I don't have Coachella. I live in Arizona. Like I could maybe go to Country Thunder, but I don't think this would be appropriate. Not like I care though. But yeah, this is Colored Rain. This is the color Speechless. I really like this. It's not my love. I love the last blue a little bit better, but I felt like this was one of the best ones in terms of if you were looking for a color like this. I really like this one because I do have the Kat Von D. This is a little bit lighter. It's called Dreamer, but I feel like the formula of this one does not perform as well as the Colored Rain one. So if you're looking for a turquoisey blue, I would go with this one. To the lighter I go, I realized like this one just wasn't opaque. It has some cracks in it. I can still wear it. This is why I'm holding on to it. But yeah. Okay, I got a few more. Okay, next up we have this beautiful purple that I live for. I think what it is with like weirder color lipstick is like I feel like an X-Men character, you know? Like I feel like I could be a superhero. It's just in my mind. Don't burst my bubble, okay? But that's how I feel in these. Like I picture like a costume and everything, and I'm just like, yes, this would be my color, you know? This is Como from Stila. I feel like this is pretty wearable compared to the blues. Like I would have no problem like wearing this out anytime, whereas like the other ones, even though I don't care that much, it'd be like for a night out, it's more like you'd have to look put together, you know what I mean? It had to be like a specific outfit, whereas this color I feel like I could just wear with a sweater and be okay, or like a tank top, and I still like really like it. But I feel like this is a gorgeous color. Again, this is Stila Como, and I don't mind this liquid lipstick formula either. I feel like all liquid lipsticks at this point are pretty drying, but I do really enjoy this one. It's a little thicker than the other formulas I showed you, but still a good formula, like still like super opaque. Like I really like it. So, all right, I think I got like 2 more for you guys. All right, the next color is this like stone color, and this is probably one of my favorites. Like I really love this color. My husband hates all of these, like hates any weird color lipsticks. Like he's just like, I just want something bright. Like it could be bright pink and he's like completely happy, but if it's darker, like weirder tones, like this is kind of a dead fish vibe, but I live for it. Like I don't know what it is, but I'm always just like, ooh, which is weird because colored eyeshadows like this, I hate them. I hate cool tone eyeshadows, but lipsticks, I'm always like, ooh. So this is Chill Zone from Smashbox. I will say Smashbox, like I would say Jeffree Star's formula is probably my favorite liquid lipstick formula. And then behind that, Smashbox is really good. I own so many Smashbox lipsticks, but they're not cheap. They're $24. And they really don't have a long shelf life. So this was really hard to get on because it's like over a year old. And I'm like really sad about it because it had so much product in it. You guys can just tell by the wand, like it's dried out. Like, does that mean I'm gonna throw it away right now? No, I'm gonna still try to get like 1 or 2 uses out of it. But when I first got it, it was definitely like creamy and smooth and so nice. But now it's like, it's seen better days and it's like, throw me away please. And I just don't want to do that. That is the one thing with these types of lipsticks, is it's fun to have different kinds, but then at the same time, if you're not gonna wear them, they go bad, you know? So, whereas like I feel like a cream lipstick, even though it has like an expiration date and it goes bad, the formula is generally okay. Whereas like liquid lipsticks, like it's dry and crackly, like you can tell it's seen better days. Okay, so this is the last one. It is very similar to the dragon shade I showed you from Colored Rain, but this is actually Bite Beauty Kale. I wasn't gonna include it at first, and then I was like, oh, but I do love this one so much. This is like a squid ink type color. I feel like that's the best way I know how to describe it. I don't know. But I will swatch them next to each other so you guys can see, but it's almost like a dark green. Like it's a very, like there is Bite Beauty Kale and then there is the dragon shade from Colored Rain. So you guys can kind of see like they're totally different in terms of like the undertone. But wait. Now this is Bite Beauty Peacock Pearl. Their pearl glosses are really good. I feel like the other ones, like, you know, the coffee collection. You guys know I love my coffee. Love my coffee. But whenever I put those on, like, I just feel like they were so, like, they smelled good, but none of them looked amazing on me, and they like came off right away, and so I wasn't too interested in this. Whereas like these, I feel like should have gotten way more like hype. These were like, there's like Peacock Pearl and Champagne and like Oyster Pearl and Rose Gold Pearl. And this one, this is why I bought this color, because I love wearing this one over this. Like, look how, I love this so much. I love this gloss, and this lipstick for some reason makes my heart sing, makes me happy. Sometimes makeup products don't have to be wearable for me. It's what makes me happy. And these like they just give me a mood, you know what I mean? Even if I only wear them around the house while I'm cleaning, like I don't care. Like if I catch myself in a mirror like that where I'm just like, oh, I can't wear this to work or I can't wear this here, but if I just put it on for a while just to feel good, that is all that matters to me. Is that weird? It's a little weird. Does anyone else do that? Or is that just me? But yes, I do that. I do that with clothes too. Like if I have like a Vegas outfit and I'm like, I ain't going to Vegas for like another year, I'll put it on and like walk around the house and just be like, yeah, like when no one's home. Never when someone's around, you know? But yeah, that is it. I definitely have more. I wanted to give some honorable mentions. I have this one from Colored Rain, which I love as well, and it's called Ivy, and it's like literally like a poison ivy green shade. You guys know I loved the Jeffree Star khaki shade. I wear that one. I feel like that is a very wearable green. It is khaki green. It's in the Alien palette review if you guys have never watched that. But yeah, I actually have quite a few more of these. I just kind of wanted to give you a taste and a feeling. This is always the look I do when wearing something like this. Like I try not to go overboard. I let the lipstick be like the statement of the face. Today, the lips are the nipples of the face, not the eyes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more of videos type like this. I know that it's just nice to add something different to my collection every once in a while. Like these aren't things that I'm like, I run out to buy, but I'm just like, it's just fun. It's just fun. Like I have a wig on, I have little new lips. Like I feel like a whole other person, you know? Some days that's just a nice feeling. So that is it for me, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what weird lipstick is your guys' favorite, if you guys have a favorite. And then yeah, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.